Welcome to Sky 2 Road, the place where driving passion meets precision reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW M4, a performance coupe that continues to push the boundaries of what modern sports cars can do. With the bold design, cutting-edge tech, and thrilling performance, the M4 remains a standout in BMW's M division lineup. In this video, we'll explore its reviews, specs, and features in detail so you can decide if this ultimate driving machine is the right fit for your garage or your dreams. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 BMW M4 keeps the aggressive design language that has made it instantly recognizable. The large kidney grills are still present, polarizing for some, but undeniably bold. The sleek LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and aerodynamic tweaks give it a muscular yet refined look. New color options and alloy wheel designs are available this year, giving buyers more room to personalize their M4. The carbon fiber roof continues to be a highlight, reducing weight while adding visual flair and performance benefits. Under the hood, the M4 continues to impress. The base model comes with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine producing 473 horsepower and 406 pounds-feet of torque. The Competition variant bumps that up to 503 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet. If you go for the all-wheel drive Competition xDrive version, expect a 0 to 60 time in just about 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The engine note is throaty and aggressive, enhanced by the M Sport exhaust system that adds just the right drama when you press the throttle. The M4 offers both a 6-speed manual and an 8-speed automatic transmission, depending on the trim. Enthusiasts will appreciate BMW's continued commitment to the manual, offering a more involved and traditional driving experience. The automatic, meanwhile, delivers lightning-fast shifts and smooth operation whether you're pushing the limits on a track or cruising on the highway. Inside the cabin, the M4 blends luxury and sport in a way that few competitors can. You get high-quality materials throughout, including merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and an optional Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel. The seats are deeply bolstered and supportive, designed to keep you in place during spirited driving without sacrificing comfort on longer drives. The 2025 model introduces BMW's latest curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen. This setup runs BMW's iDrive 8.5 software, which is faster, more intuitive, and supports both touch and voice control with greater accuracy. Standard tech features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, a Harman Kardon premium audio system, and a suite of driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The M4 also offers an available head-up display that puts key performance data right in your line of sight, making it easier to stay focused on the road or track. Driving dynamics are where the M4 really shines. The chassis is finely tuned to deliver precise steering, minimal body roll, and excellent feedback. Adaptive M suspension allows you to choose between comfort and performance settings, while the M differential improves traction and handling through tight corners and fast straights. The all-wheel drive Competition xDrive model delivers incredible grip, especially in less than ideal weather, without losing the rear-wheel drive feel that M cars are known for. If you want to go full drift mode, BMW even allows the front axle to be decoupled in certain settings, giving you pure rear-wheel drive behavior. Fuel efficiency is not its strongest suit, but that's expected with a performance car of this caliber. Expect around 16 to 18 miles per gallon in the city and low to mid-20s on the highway, depending on your driving style and chosen variant. Reviews for the 2025 BMW M4 have been mostly positive. Enthusiasts praise its balance of power, agility, and daily usability. Critics still debate the bold grille design, but there's no denying the M4's capabilities on the road and track. It competes well against rivals like the Audi RS5, Mercedes AMG C63, and even higher-end sports cars thanks to its well-rounded performance and high-quality interior. Whether you're considering it for weekend drives, occasional track days, or just as a daily statement piece, the M4 continues to be a compelling option in the high-performance coupe segment. With more tech, more power, and more refinement, the 2025 model represents everything the M brand is about: the precision, passion, and performance. Thanks for tuning into Sky to Road. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed car reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. We've got plenty more coming, and you won't want to miss it.